Hello, welcome back. It's your woman Angela KOD. Today we are making a very delicious healthy juice for your beautiful glowing skin and also help boost your immune system. Come with me and let's make this juice. But if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. Thank you. Come with me and let's juice together. For ingredients, we'll be needing our carrots, gold beetroot, guys. Look at this. It's really gold beetroot, apples, lime, ginger, turmeric, and orange. So these are the ingredients we'll be needing for our juice, guys. Check out how the inside of our beetroot looks like, guys. Look, you see? It looks so good. So this is the gold beetroot for our natural growing beautiful skin. This drink is so good, very healthy. To maintain a healthy skin, it's a must for you to try this delicious healthy juice, guys. Guys, let's turn on the machine. Yeah, and then we start with our juice. I'll start by adding the Guys, let's change the cup because this is really full. Okay. Guys, go ahead with our gold beetroot, guys. I really love it. It's the same, it has the same nutrition than like the red one. So you can incorporate them in your juice and you are going to thank me. Check out the colors that are coming out now. Look at this. Wow. change the chaff because this was full. Guys, we are almost done. We are almost done, guys. Guys, as you can see, the shaft is here. It looks so dry, you can see. So guys, these are the shaft you got from the fruits, the lime and the ginger, and this is the shaft from the carrot. I separate it because I'm not going to waste this carrot shaft. I'm going to use it for a delicious chicken stew. So check out the video on how I made chicken stew with this shaft. It's really delicious, so you don't have to waste it. Nothing is wasted in your kitchen. And even with this one, you can still use it for your tea, your green tea. Just boil it, add your cloves and your herbs to it, and then make a delicious green tea with it. So I'm going to make green tea with this, and then I'll use this one for my chicken stew. We'll go ahead and combine it together. And remember, this machine is cold press, so it's really cold. Look at this. Our juice looks so yummy and delicious. Look at this goodness here, goodies here. It's a must for you to try, guys, because this will give you a very beautiful skin. It helps you maintain your natural skin, glowing skin, beautiful and healthy skin. And it's also a immune booster. It boosts your immune system, guys, because of the beetroot, the carrot, and also the lime and the ginger in it. It's a very healthy juice that everyone must try, and it's for the whole family, guys. I also have a video of my ABC drink juice. You can also check out that video on the channel, guys. Look at this. And you can save this slow juice up to 5 days in your fridge, guys. Trust me. Sometimes I even save it more, and it still tastes good. But trust me, since we are a family of 5, within 3 or 2 days it's gone, because everybody loves this juice. Obiano. Guys, our delicious, healthy skin, beautiful glowing skin juice is ready. Look at this. So I will say this here. Thank you so much for coming with me to make this delicious, healthy juice. By follow to this channel, please subscribe and be part of this great family. And for my subscribers, Team Angela KOD, and everyone watching my videos, thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you guys always coming along. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Cheers. Bye. Adios. I hope you are going to try.